Today we're learning how to make this nice text effect in PowerPoint. Let's start from a blank slide and add an image of the pyramids. We want to duplicate this slide and remove the background on the second slide. So duplicate page, select the image, shape format, and remove background. Here we want to mark everything with the green arrow that we want to keep. Everything in purple will be deleted. It doesn't have to be perfect, just a rough outlines is more than enough. Click OK once you're happy, and this has removed the sky. Go back to the first slide and add the text. Add a text box, type in your word that you want, in our case Egypt, and increase the font by quite a lot. I'm using Montserrat here and font size about 225. Duplicate the word, right click, format shape, text options, and then we want to remove the fill, so no fill on the text, and on the outline we're going to add a solid line in white. Make it 2 points and center them again. If you can't get them right, select both, arrange, and align to center. Now we go to the second slide and get the image of the pyramids without a background, and we paste it on top. Right click and crop, and we want to remove the top part of the image. That makes it easy to select the text in the background. Select the word Egypt and the top one, so the outlines, we want to right click and bring it to front. And now this overlays on the pyramids. Center it back again, and here we have the effect that we want. So you can grab both and you can really play around with the positioning, and you see the pyramids shift in between the letters. Now we want to add the effect, so position it correct. Duplicate the slide that we've created, and on the first slide select the words and drag them outside of the screen. And then go to the second slide, transitions and morph, and you see it flies nicely into the screen. And this is how you can create this nice text effect in PowerPoint. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and hope to see you in the next video.